Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop. Welcome to issue number 90 of Build the 1967 Mustang Eleanor from the film Gone in 60 Seconds. Yes folks, what a beautiful model this is as well. And if you'd like to grab this for yourself, go to the Fanhome website. There's a clickable link below in the description. And you too can be building this along with me. 1/8 scale, precision die-cast bodywork, folks. Yes. So we're on issue 90. So what we have is this from the previous issue. Today we've got another fender, which is just here. Okay. And we're going to be joining that to the section we did last time in. Okay. And then what we're going to end up with at the end of this is basically the two fenders with the chassis cross member ready to go on Eleanor, folks, in upcoming issues. So then that gives us something to look forward to, because coming up soon is the body shell, folks. The main body is going to be coming into play. So we're going to be getting ready to put all of this together, folks, okay? So it's getting to the exciting times. Yes. So here's what we got left from last time in, which is this fender. So we'll get our DS02 screws open. And we'll start some assembly for you. We'll grab one of those and a bit of oil, I think, just to start the ball rolling. Like that. I'll pop that one just there out of the way. And we'll bring this in and do exactly what we did last time in. We'll do a quick dry fit, just to line everything up, like so. And then we'll try and pinch this into place. So we'll put that screw in there. You can feel that biting already, so I'm going to fully hone that one. Like that. Then we'll grab this one, put a bit of oil on him. And then we'll put that one in its resting place, right up in there. Again, I'm just putting my fingers behind the wing just to give it a bit of support. And that's now fully homed into the die cast there. As is that one. And I'm already feeling that getting nice and solid, folks. Look at that. Doesn't she look stunning? Oh. This is the exciting time stage, folks. Look at it. Oh. So yes, so that is both fenders and the chassis cross member done. So I shall be putting that to side on the side there, nice and safe until next time out. So folks, if you would like to grab one of these yourself and build this stunning Eleanor, head over to the Fanhome website all the way along there. Pop and take out a subscription for this beautiful model. In the meantime, to help me out, give little Festa a click in the corner, subscribe to the channel, helps me grow the channel and keeps the channel alive. In the meantime, whilst you're there, ring the bell and select all to be notified of upcoming and future content. In the meantime, folks, stay safe and well. Thank you so much for coming in and keeping little old me company. And I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye-bye for now. Oh, look at it.